Hai. Want to determine the equivalence point, but the results are not accurate? Okay, there is a modern technique which presented by Kanong Ruthanakon and friends in their article under the title Smartphone-based technique for the determination of titration equivalence point from an RGB linear segment curve with an example application to miniaturized titration of sodium chloride injection. Well, welcome to Smart Titration. In this method, a titrant in increasing microliter volume was added to a set of sample aliquot containing an indicator covering both sides of the equivalence point. The solutions were subsequently photographed in one shot, in a dark box using a smartphone camera and an illuminating screen of a tablet or like emitting diode lamps arranged below. And 200 microliter of ammonium sulfate and 960 microliter of standardized silver nitrate were accurately added using micropipettes, and the mixture was mixed by a vortex mixer for 10 seconds. Subsequently, the silver chloride solid formed in the reaction was precipitated by centrifugation at 12,000 rpm for 5 minutes. And 180 microliter of aliquots of the clear supernatant containing residual silver nitrate were transferred to 9 microcentrifuge tubes. For example, 4 and 5 point of volume before and after the predicted subjected to centrifugation at 12,000 rpm for 5 min to sediment silver thiosinate precipitate, and 180 microliter of supernatant was transferred to a 96 well microplate for photography using a smartphone. In a dark box, a microplate containing the solutions obtained from the titration was placed above a light source. For this purpose, the screen of tablet projecting a white light was used. Alternatively, illumination was supplied by a set of 20 LED lamps, which were the back camera of a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus smartphone through a puncture hole on the top of the box. The camera was set to automatic of an equivalence point to enable one-stop analysis on a single smartphone without the need for transferring RGB data to perform calculation on a computer? Well, we developed a mobile application named RGB titration calculator to facilitate such tasks after the photograph were captured and the RGB pixels were read out by using the color detector application. For this purpose, a cloud-based spreadsheet was designed on Google Sheets to serve as the data source and to perform calculations using mathematical formula and in-app functions. From the sheet, a web application was built by using Google Apps Script. Finally, a mobile application that users can install and use on their smartphone was created from the web application using a free version of a mobile application builder tool Tumble. The application was primarily designed to calculate an approximate equivalence point prior to titration by using the data of reagent concentration input by an analyst. This technique established was then employed for the determination of an equivalence point in lieu of using an expensive microplate reader. So, don't forget to download this application for get the accurate result of equivalent points. Thank you.